Hello, if you wonder if your Tapo C120 camera does have night vision or the night mode, let me quickly show you. Let's go into camera settings right here. Let's go into video and display, and right here we have the night vision, and we have different modes of the night vision. Here we have the near view, the far view, and basically that's all the types. The camera actively changes the light when it's really dark, but it's still like light enough, bright enough for the camera to see. The camera just simply like enlightens the environment, so the pure view on the camera is very light, but when it is too dark, the camera switches and throws on the infrared LEDs. So that means, yes, as you can see, the camera does have the night vision. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe.